All right. Welcome to English 8. It's Thursday. Here is your lesson recap for today. It's September 17th, and we are almost at the end of our first week. It's super crazy. So today in our Google Meet, we started by chatting about our favorite superheroes, and then we moved on from there. Another reminder of your daily schedule. Just so you know, tomorrow is going to look a little different, and I'm going to talk about that at the end of this lesson. Alright, so today in our live Google Meet, we did a Finish the Lyrics activity, and then we also talked about how to participate in a Schoology discussion. After that, you had a little time to complete the homework assignment, which is a Schoology discussion. Alright, you are going to do this fancy keyboard shortcut that we did yesterday. So on your Chromebook, you're going to push the Alt button next to your spacebar, and then you're going to push those two brackets that are right next to the P. So push the Alt, and then push these two buttons together, and your screen should be split so you can watch a video of me while also following the directions that I am giving. Alright, we are going to download Nod on Google Meet. Some of you might already have this extension on your Chromebooks. If you do already have it, you can just sit back and kind of listen. But if you do not have it, we need to download it onto your Chromebook. So you will go to the Chrome Web Store. You can go there two ways. Either you can Google Chrome Web Store, or you can go to chrome.google.com/webstore. There's an E at the end there that I'm covering up. So make sure to go to either one of those two so you can get to your Chrome Web Store. When you get to your Chrome Web Store, you're going to look on the left side for the search box, and all you're going to type in is Nod, and then you're going to search. You should see Nod, Reactions for Google Meet, and on the right-hand side, a blue button that says Add to Chrome. You're going to add this extension to your Chromebook. Now you're able to do awesome things like give me a thumbs up or raise your hand. So when you go back to Google Meet, hopefully in the near future, you will have those features. We're not going to do the Name the Song activity on this video because this was a group activity and requires Google Meet. Alright, so Schoology discussions. We are going to use a lot of Schoology discussions this year, so I want to make sure you feel 100% comfortable with them. I know you've been using them in your advisory this week, but we're going to talk about that digital citizenship piece with discussions and kind of how it looks for English, because it looks a little bit different since this is one of the key standards that we're hitting, being able to communicate with one another. So, a couple Schoology discussion rules. Be polite and respectful. Okay? We're not here to critique other people's posts, so when you respond, you don't need to say, wow, good job, or you don't need to say, oh, that wasn't very good, why did you say that? Okay? So my job is to respond and critique each other's posts. I would say starting by uplifting someone is totally fine. So if you want to say, that's an awesome post, and here's why, you can respond in that way, but we're not critiquing each other's posts by saying things like, that wasn't a very good response, or why did you say that? We don't need to bring other people down that way. And then we're not here to bring down people or people groups, so that means we're not here to bash on other people groups. We're not saying specific names, specific groups in our posts. We're also not here to get angry or vent our frustrations about things. Again, that can hurt other people if not done correctly. School-appropriate answers, please. You're in 8th grade. You know what that means by now, so please keep it school-appropriate. Write your responses in complete sentences in my class. We are an English class. That means starting with a capital and ending with a period. For this upcoming Schoology discussion, it doesn't matter how many sentences you write. You just need to write at least one. And then be creative, have original answers. You won't be able to see others post before you post, but try to be really creative. Think outside the box. Alright, so a reminder. Tomorrow you're not meeting at your regular class time, so I won't see you in English tomorrow. You can visit me for help though. between 8:30 and 10:30 a.m. You will be having an assignment to do in each class, and I will go over that right now. So that assignment will be responding to 2 classmates on the discussion post that you do for today. So today you'll post the discussion post, and then tomorrow you'll respond to 2 classmates. All right, so today's assignment can be found at the bottom of my Thursday 9/17 folder. It's called Thinker Thursday. It is a discussion. It has all of the directions for you on there, so please be sure to look at all the directions and the 5 questions that you'll be answering. As always, let me know if you have any questions. You can email me or message me on Schoology.